Student, today we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions from your chapter Atoms and Molecules. Okay. Student, first question, the same proportion of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide, that is CO2, obtained from different sources, which proves the law of reciprocal proportion, multiple proportion, constant proportion, or conservation of mass. There are four options: reciprocal proportion, multiple proportion, constant proportion, and conservation of mass. And the question is, the same proportion of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide obtained from different sources, okay, and proves the law of constant proportion. Okay, when carbon and oxygen taken in a constant proportion, they chemically combine and we get carbon dioxide as a compound. Okay student, so your option C, that is constant proportion, is the correct answer. Okay student, I am saying slowly. You can write in your copy these questions. Okay. Then next question. The law of constant proportion was proposed by first option Dalton, second option Avogadro, third option Joseph Proust, and fourth option Lavoisier. Student, I am saying once again, the law of constant proportion was proposed by Dalton, Avogadro, Joseph Proust, and Lavoisier. Four options here, and your correct answer is Joseph Proust. Okay, law of constant proportion was proposed by Joseph Proust. Clear? Now next question. The number of metals which exist as gas is or are 1, 2, 3 or none. Four option. First one is 1, second 2, third is 3 and fourth is none. So the number of metals which exist as gas is or are, your answer will be option D, that is none. 1, 2, 3, these are not the correct answers. So option D is your correct answer. Okay. Now next question. The best standard for atomic mass is first option carbon 12, second option oxygen 16, third option hydrogen 1, fourth option chlorine 35. Four options: carbon 12, second option oxygen 16, third option hydrogen 1, fourth option chlorine 35. So student, the base standard for atomic mass is carbon 12. Now next question. One atomic mass unit is 1.00758 gram. Second option 549 gram. Third option 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. And fourth option 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 minus 23 gram. So 1 atomic mass unit is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay. Now next question. The mass of one atom of carbon is first option 1 gram, second option 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Okay, and third option 1 by 12 gram. And fourth option 1.99 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Okay, so answer will be the mass of one atom of carbon is 1 by 12 gram. Okay, just a minute student, I think I missed the answer, last question's answer. So it will be that one atomic mass unit is 1.66 into 10 to the power 24 gram. That is option C is your correct answer. Okay student. Now next question. The percentage of hydrogen in water is 1.11%, 11.11%, 8.89%, and option D 88.9%. Four options, that is 1.11%, next 11.11%, then 8.89%, next 88.9%, and option B is your correct answer, that is 11.11%. Okay. Now next question. The atom is indivisible and was proposed by first option Einstein, second Lavoisier, third Dalton, fourth Proust. The atom is indivisible was proposed by options B, Lavoisier. This is your answer. Okay. Now next, the percentage of calcium in CaCO3 is the percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, is first option 40%, second 12%, third 48%, fourth none of these. Okay, so the percentage of calcium in calcium carbonate is first 40%, second 12%, third 48%, fourth none of these. Okay student. Now your answer is option C, that is 48%. The percentage of calcium in CaCO3 is 48%. Okay. Now next question. One atomic mass unit of carbon is one atomic mass unit of carbon 12 is first option 1/12 of the mass. So student, one atomic mass unit of carbon 12 is 1/12 of the mass of one C12 atom, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 gram, 12 gram and 1 gram. Option A is correct answer. That is 1/12 of the mass of one carbon 12 atom. Okay. Now next question. Modern atomic symbols are based on the method proposed by modern atomic symbols are based on the method proposed by first option Dalton, second Berzelius, third Bohr and D Mendeleev. And your correct answer is modern atomic symbols are based on the method proposed by Berzelius. Okay. Now next question. Numerical value of Avogadro's number is, the numerical value of Avogadro's number is your first option 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, second option 6.022 into 10 to the power 20 and third option 6.022 into 10 to the power 15. Fourth option 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 24. Okay, and your correct answer is option A, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay. Now your next question. Which of the following has the same value of gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass? Which of the following has the same value of gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass? Your first option helium, second hydrogen, third nitrogen and fourth one is oxygen. And your correct answer is option A, that is helium. Okay. Now next question. Formula of zinc phosphate is ZnPO4. Second option Zn2PO4. Third option Zn3PO4 whole 2. And fourth option ZnPO4 whole 2. So your correct answer, that is formula of zinc phosphate is Zn3PO4 whole 2. Option C. Your correct answer is option C, that is Zn3PO4 whole 2. Okay. Now your next question. The number of molecules in 14 gram of nitrogen is, the number of molecules in 14 gram of nitrogen is, first option 3.01 into 10 to the power 23, second option 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 and third option 1.5 into 10 to the power 23 and fourth option 1 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, and your answer will be option A, that is 3.01 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so the number of molecules in 14 gram of nitrogen is 3.01 into 10 to the power 23.